I want to build trucks.
One of the things that I really enjoy about welding now is that it's really a lot like drawing. With a TIG torch, specifically a TIG torch, is you have a little bolt of lightning instead of ink or pencil. So you can be as fine and detailed as you want and make literally anything you want with metal because it's basically just like a pencil with a bolt of lightning in it.
I work in the arts, and you can curve it, you can move it, you can make it organic, and there's just endless things you can do with welding and metal together.
I want to be able to fabricate up like suspension and like swap any type of motor in there. It should be able to help me make the parts I need to make things that aren't supposed to go together.